Another type of variation is inverse. In inverse variation, the graph is still a linear, or it has a linear equation. It is still a relationship of two variables. In this case, we have m and n. So the equation here is y equals k over x, where k is the constant of variation. In order to get the k, we will multiply x times y. This is the shortcut method in getting the k. As y increases, the x decreases. Or as the y decreases, the x increases. So it has an opposite reaction or opposite relationship of two variables. In this problem, m varies inversely as n. If m equals 4 when n is 3, find m when n is 7. The first thing that we will do is to set up an equation. So m equals k over n. In order to get the k, we will just multiply m times n. K equals m is 4 times n is 3. K is equal to 12. So our new equation is m equals 12 over n. And then solve this one. Find m when n is 7. So m equals 12 over 7. Therefore, m is equal to 12 over 7. The number of days needed in repairing a house varies inversely as the number of men working. So the two variables here are days and the men or the people working. It takes 15 days for 2 men to repair the house. So 15 days is to 2. How many men are needed to complete the job in 6 days? The first thing that we will do is to identify first what is our y and what is our x. So let y be the number of days and x be the number of men. So y equals k over x. So in order to solve k, we will just multiply y times x. K equals 15 days times 2 men. Therefore, k is equal to 30. So our new equation is y equals 30 over x. Let us solve this. How many men are needed to complete the job in 6 days? So we are asked the number of men. So the unknown is x. Okay. substitute y with 6 and then 30 over x. Cross multiplication, 6 times x, 6x, then y times 30, that is 30. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, there are 5 men that are needed to complete the job in 6 days. Another method in solving this one is you can just write 15 is to 2. And then 6 is to blank. 2 times 5, that is 30, right? Therefore, we will write 30 here. So 30 divided by 6, that is 5. Okay, let us rewrite again the variables. 15 is to 2, and then 6 is to 5. So the y here is increase and the x here is decrease. The y here is increase and the x here is increase. Therefore, this is really an inverse variation problem.